let's talk about seed starting or winter sowing in jugs. So, starting seeds in jugs or winter sowing is one of the easiest ways to get your plants for the garden started early. You just take a jug not that one, I'll show you this one. Take a jug and make sure you can see light through it, or light can get into it. Cut almost all the way around. You want to leave this part attached on the handle. Then cut the rest of the way around about midway through your jug. Fill it with soil, water it in, plant your seeds, cover your seeds with the right amount of soil that they need, and then tape it back up and you set it outside in the sun. Even if it's cold at night, your plants will still germinate, and this is the easiest way to get them started. I plant my seeds in the garden, in the house, the ones that need to be warm, but the ones that are good with being cool at night in particular, they all go out here because this is so much easier. I don't have to care for them at all, pretty much. You just set it and forget it, because once it's watered in here, it will have most of the water it needs until these seeds get sprouted and grow quite a lot. And depending on how many are in here, then you may have to water them every once in a while. But for the most part, you just forget about this for a while. And then when you're ready to take it out to the garden, you take the tape off and you pull out your plants and you go transplant. That's it. It's really simple. These are just little mini greenhouses is what they are, and it's great. Last year, I did put some of my plants out here on these racks with plastic coverings, and it works, but this is just so much easier. This would be really great if you needed to stratify seeds. Those are when you have to get your seeds in cold storage for a while before they'll sprout. And so you could do this in late fall or in the middle of winter and have them out here stratifying for months, and then when they're ready to sprout, they will sprout all on their own. You don't have to remember it. It's just like, how many times have you put seeds in your freezer thinking, yeah, I'm going to stratify these, or in your fridge, and then you forget them? Yeah, it's happened a few times. But this, if you put them in here, yes, you may forget them, but they'll be here doing the thing that they're supposed to be doing eventually. Whereas in the fridge or freezer, if you don't take them out, they will never get sprouted. But here, I can forget them and they will eventually sprout. Because I got a lot of things on my plate. A lot of things to remember, and I just don't remember everything. So if they can take care of themselves, all the better. Hope that helps. Leave comments, like, comment, subscribe, share with others. Let them know that they are smart enough to do this too, because really, this is so easy. Anyone can do it. Yeah. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.